So we farrow to finish our hogs, so that means we breed our sows with a boar and then we raise them from the day of birth to all the way up to fair. They're like big dogs, so it's kind of like training a dog, and you give them Oreos when they're doing good and everything like that. I actually don't even live on a farm. I live here in town of Aurora, Nebraska, and we had some family friends where their kids, they showed swine, and I did it my first Clover Kid year. And I've been showing for the past 11 years. I would say Wilburette is my favorite because it's an actual dog. She actually annoys my little sister because every time we're working with our pigs, she will just follow you around like right on your tail, and she just always wants attention. She wants you to scratch your ear, or she'll lay in the mud and she always wants her belly scrubbed. I think the best part about living in Aurora, Nebraska is it's big enough where you have opportunities to do kind of whatever you want to do and do more than one thing. But it's small enough where you know everyone. You can drive down the road and you know everyone that you see.
What's your name?
Devin.
Tell me about what you won.
I won Pinafore with pigs.
So what's your pig's name?
Buttons, hot dog, mallow.
Tell me about the things you have to do to get your pigs ready to competition.
Shave them, wash them, feed them, and take care of them.
Congratulations.